So today class we will discuss binary subtraction. Is it clearly visible? सबको दिख रहा है? Good. Okay. चलो listen. How to do subtract between the two binary numbers? Okay. Please, all of you, mute your sound first. Good. You listen. Suppose I want to do subtract 1011 minus 0101. Okay. I want to do subtract between 1011 minus 0101. Is it clearly visible? सबको दिख रहा है ठीक से? कोई किसी का दिक्कत नहीं हो रहा है? हमको लग रहा है तो wait. Again problem. Again it is problem. ब्लैक बोर्ड सबको ठीक से दिख रहा है? राजेश, ब्लैक बोर्ड के ऊपर लाइट नहीं आ रहा है तो क्लियरली दिख रहा है तुम लोग को? वही तो हम बोल रहे हैं, क्या करेंगे? यही चीज के लिए तो हम परेशान हैं। सब्ट्रैक्शन हो गया? ठीक है सब, कीप साइलेंस। चलो विल स्टार्ट नाउ। 1011 minus 0101. Okay, so here I will write 1011 minus 0101. So students, you see first, according to the binary subtract, the rule first of all you see. What will the rule? Okay, students, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, because 1 is greater than to the 0. Next one is 0 minus 1 is not possible because 0 is smaller, okay, and 1 is greater. So in this case, it is not possible. Okay. So for this situation, what will I do? we take the borrow. Please students mute your sound. Student mute your sound. So 0 minus 1, it is not possible. Okay, so for this type of situation what will you do? First of all you take the borrow. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? borrow लेंगे. ठीक है, तो borrow क्या लेंगे? जैसे कि 0 1 नहीं होगा तो borrow कितना लेंगे? 2. कितना लेंगे हम लोग? 2 लेंगे. तो इधर से 2 आएगा तो 2 plus 0 2 minus 1 होगा 1. बात समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? बात समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? तो 0 minus 1, so don't write minus 1. Is that clear? So in this case we can take the borrow. कितना borrow लेंगे हम लोग? 2 borrow लेंगे. कितना लेंगे? 2. Okay? Good. So this is a binary subtraction rule. See? So here you see, so 1 minus 1, how much? 0. 1 minus 1 is your 0. And 1 minus 0, according to the rule, 1. Okay. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. 0 minus 1, एक शांत रहो, सब शांत रहो, सिर्फ हम बोलेंगे तुम लोग सुनना है. कीप साइलेंस. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. So take the borrow from the left side. So here, यहां से कितना लेगा borrow? 2 लेगा. तो here कितना लाएगा? 2. 2 plus 0. How much? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. अभी borrow इधर से 2 लाया तो 2 minus 1 how much? 1. तो इधर कितना बच जाएगा हम लोग? 1 बच जाएगा. कितना बच जाएगा? 1 बच जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? लेकिन स्टूडेंट तुम लोग ऑलरेडी डेसिमल सब्ट्रैक्शन मालूम है कि नहीं? कैसे हम लोग करते हैं? सपोज 17 माइनस 19 करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं? बात समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? इन द सेम सिचुएशन आल्सो विल बी हियर. यहां से बोरो हम लोग लाते हैं जैसे 10, तो इसी तरह यहां से बोरो लाएंगे 2. तो 2 minus 1 इधर 1 हो जाएगा. इधर से जब गया तो ये क्या 1 था तो हो जाएगा कितना? 0. कितना हो जाएगा? 0. तो 0 minus 0 0. आंसर इज योर 1 1 0. आंसर इज योर 1 1 0. Now we will check whether this answer is right or wrong to check this one. So student, for this one, what will I do first? You see 1011. So rule is your what? You write here 1 2 4 8. So this number converted to decimal number first. 1 2 4 8. Is that clear? So student 1 2 4 8, where the 1 has written, जहां जहां पे 1 लिखा है, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ 1. प्लस यहाँ पे कितना है? 2 प्लस यहाँ पे कितना लिखा? 1 इज इक्वल टू 11. इज दैट क्लियर? In the same also, this is our decimal number. 1011 is the binary number. When it will be converted to decimal number, the answer is your this one. Next one is your 0101. You see here 1, here 1 has written. The 1 value is your 1. This one value is your 4. So 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 11 minus 5. कैसे हम लोग इसमें माइनस करते हैं? तो डेसिमल नंबर हो गया है तो इधर 10 लाएंगे, है कि नहीं? 10 प्लस 1 इधर 11. 11 माइनस 5 6. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 0. तो आंसर इज योर 06. ये बात समझ में आ रहा है? डेसिमल में किसी तरह हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. इन द सेम प्रोसेस आल्सो एप्लीकेबल इन बाइनरी सब्ट्रैक्शन. सेम एप्लीकेबल इन बाइनरी सब्ट्रैक्शन. इज दैट क्लियर? Is that clear? The students, you will see 6. What is the binary number of 06? What is the binary number of 06? Mute your sound. तो 06 का मतलब 6 का बाइनरी नंबर कितना होगा? देखो देखो 4 plus 2 here. 4 plus 2 6. That means answer is your 0110. Okay, so here you see my answer is your 0, 1, 1, 0. That means my answer is right. Is that clear? Once again, I am telling you, students, 1011 minus 0101. So you will do first 1 minus 1 is a 0. 1 minus 0 according to our rule binary subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. For this situation, we take the borrow how much? 2 for the binary subtract. So 2 plus 0, 2 minus 1, 1. And here 1 has already gone. So how much it will be the value? 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. So answer is your word 0, 1, 1, 0. Is that clear? Okay. So students, in this way, you can do the binary subtract. I am giving you binary subtract question sum. You do that one first, okay? And you send the answer in my personal WhatsApp. So write the question, students. Write the question, binary subtraction. The first one is here, 10001 minus 0111. Second question, write down 10110 minus 01011. Okay. Third one is your third one is your 110 minus 10001. ओके, ये यही तीनों बना के हमको दिखाना। बात समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस वन इज वन ऑफ द बाइनरी सब्ट्रैक्शन। ओके, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड? हैव यू रिटन? नाउ वी विल okay, very good. Now I will be explain the binary multiplication. अभी हम लोग साउंड को म्यूट करो, अदरवाइज आई विल बी एंड। Now we will explain the binary multiplication. Binary multiplication, okay? So student, binary multiplication is very simple. It is very simple, okay? So student, for the binary multiplication, just like the decimal multiplication, okay? एक से सबके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. In that case, there are two options are there: multiplicand and multiply. Yes or no? For example, students, very simple: 1010 into 011. I want to multiply this. Yes or no? So students, as we know that for the multiplication, the first digit, so this is called as a multiplicand. This is called as a multiplicand. This is your multiplier. This is your multiplier. This is your multiplier. Okay, student. So in the multiplier, the first digit will be multiplied with the all of the digits of the multiplier. Yes or no? So it is very simple. डेसिमल में तो हम लोग को टेबल याद रखना पड़ता है, तब हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर पाएंगे। लेकिन इसमें आइदर जीरो के साथ सबको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, नहीं तो वन के साथ सबको मल्टीप्लाई करना है। So this is very simple, very easy. Okay. So student, you see here 1 into 0. According to our binary multiplication rule is here 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Is that clear? 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Is that clear? Then students, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay? So 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into 0 also 0. 1 into 1 is equal to So you see here, according to this rule, you apply here. Okay, students. So 1 into 0, 0. Okay. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. In the one, this one also multiply with all the digits. 0, 1, 0, 1. Is that clear? Again, 0 multiply with all the digits. The result will be the 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Is that clear? After multiply all the digits, then what will you do? Addition. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Binary addition. Okay, students. In the binary addition case, students. In the binary addition case, binary addition में क्या होता है? देखो, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 carry with carry 1. Is that clear? वो 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 carry with 1. Similarly, 1 plus 1. तो क्या होगा? 1 carry 1. Is that clear? यही सारा चीज याद रखना. ठीक है. तो see here, तो 0, then 1, then 1, again 1 0 0, 1, 1 0 1, 0. Okay. So student, this is our answer, binary multiplication. So this one multiply with this one, the final result is here. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now you write the question. Question लिखो binary multiplication के लिए. 1 0 1 1 into 1 1. Second question, 1 1 1 0 1 into 1 0 1. Okay. Third question, 1 1 1 1 into 1 1. Is that clear? So now this is also more binary subtraction. I have given 3 questions and multiplication also 3 questions. You do at your home. How to first of all try to understand how to do binary subtract, then binary multiply. After that, you do the what, students, how to solve that one. Is that clear? So you see that again at your home in the video. Try to understand. If not problem, then do easily and show me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, students. So okay, for students, that's it. Thank you. Thank you.